folks, it's the end of the season and we got a bargain for you. We've got this 276 Chaparral SSI here at South Mountain Yachts. She's got a recent engine, she's got a new metal outdrive on her, and she comes with a trailer. It's got bow cover, fusion stereo, and lots of other features. One of the best being a porcelain head, which is an LLI feature. So come with me and view this vessel. Get her today, own her tomorrow, be on the water next weekend here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we have a starboard on the water view on this 276 Chaparral. Stay tuned for more. Here we are about to board this 27-foot Chaparral. We see we've got that molded in swim platform right there, which makes a nice beach for water activities. Off to starboard, we have our 3-step covered boarding ladder and an in-deck storage area right below that hatch for ice and beverages. Stepping aboard, we see right in front of the boarding ladder, we've got a grab handle to help us get up, and our fusion stereo and a freshwater flush right there. This gives us an overview of the cockpit. Notice that large sun pad to lay out on. We also have a transom shower right there. Entering the cockpit through this port side door, we have all of our battery switches right in there, readily accessible. Off on the right hand side, we see we've got that U-shaped seating, lots of room for folks, and then we have storage up underneath. Immediately in front of us, we've got our wet bar right there with storage up underneath. As we move forward, we've got our port side companion seat, grab rail, nice and padded with a bolster also. Here's what I call an LLI. Ladies like it feature. This is great for kids and some privacy. We've got a head, a nice porcelain head right there with a through hull pump out. Notice we've got simulated teak decking there and a wash basin off to one side. Getting to the heart of the vessel, as we circle around, we've got that double wide helm seat with the thigh rise bolsters right there. It's great for the driver and a friend, a kid, anyone special you'd like to share the experience with. As we move forward, we've got our tilt steering wheel. Right in the main line of view, we have our Ray Marine unit, chart plotter, fish finder, split screen also. Pulling back, we see we've got our gauges. We've got our speedometer, tack, our 4-in-1 fuel gauges right there, and then all of our rocker switches within easy reach. We also have our Lenco trim tab level indicators, which is an awesome feature. It helps us balance the vessel out. Down below, we've got our VHF radio. And then as we move forward, Chaparral did a very nice job with this. We've got that stainless steel window frame right there. We also have a wind door to block off the wind, keep us nice and warm. We keep the bow cover on, and then that just blocks any excess wind. Up under here, the center console, we've got lots of storage, and then notice we have an in-deck ski locker right there for skis and even more toys. Forward seating, nice and deep, U-shaped. Notice we have our recessed grab rails right there to hold on so we're nice and comfortable. We've got our bolsters there. And again, moving aft, we see yet another in-deck hatch right there. Here we have another overview of the cockpit seating. And under there is access to the big block Volvo Penta engine, which has very low hours on it. For canvas, we've got the fore and aft Bimini and a bow cover also. This concludes our walk around tour on the Chaparral. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.